Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start using the powerful Sqribble software to create your next professional ebook. To get started, click on this button here where it says Start Scribbling. Alternatively, you can go straight to the templates menu here to load up the different designs in the template gallery that we have. To find something for your next project, just scroll through until you find something that catches your eye that you think will be suitable and work for your next project. You can also select from the drop-down category at the top here. You've got lots of different types of categories: arts and entertainment, computers, education, home, food and health, and so on and so on. Now do note that if you've upgraded to the Sqribble Professional version, you'll have hundreds of templates in your gallery. If you haven't, I highly recommend that you do so, because you're going to get a lot more options, a lot more features, and a lot more beautiful, stunning designs. We've had multiple designers from around the world actually create these designs for you. So each one came to the table with their own flair and creativity. That's where you can see such a beautiful, amazing, different range of quality, styles, themes, and colors. If you wanted to preview one of these, just click on the view icon like so, and you can see all of the pages inside this template set. So you have the front cover, which again, all of this is fully editable. You have the table of contents page, content page 1, content page 2, content page 3, each one with its own structure here and layout, and you have a summary page as well, all editable. Now let's go ahead and just select one of these ones. Let's click this one here, give your project a name. Digital marketing ebook. Click next. Okay, now you need to pay attention here. We have 5 options on the screen. All of these relate to you and how you wish to put content into your ebook. You've got many different options here. Now the first one is an option that a lot of people will actually use, grabbing content from online. So you would define or give the software a URL, and the software would then use this powerful technology and algorithms to go out there and take the content from the link that you give it, and then extract that data and insert it into your ebook. Okay, it will grab text and images and also formulate a table of contents for you. However, do note that if you do select this option, you won't be able to use some of the content themes that we've given inside of those templates. The reason being is that we have given certain layouts for content to be added in a certain way around the actual template. So if you do use this option, the content will be inserted into your ebook, but into normal pages without any such styling. However, you can then later go inside and add content pages from within our template set in this option, so you don't have to worry too much about that. It will just start off by adding content into your ebook without certain content styling added straight away immediately. This will be a lot clearer once we get inside. Now this option here, starting from scratch, allows you to use our templates and start adding content to it yourself manually. Okay, it'll come with dummy content, and then you can delete that dummy content out and start adding your content and add as many pages as you want, as with all of these options. This option here, copy and paste content manually into your ebook. You can upload a Word file. You can also use our internal content engine to select any article that you want and then have it insert into the actual ebook itself. Let's select the first option here, grab from URL.
So there you are. There's a bit of a demonstration on Sqribble. There's a lot more to go through with this tutorial. So when you pick up a copy of this, you're going to get to know. I mean, this is a powerful ebook creator. I use this myself. This is how I get my free reports and free ebook. This is how I do it, and then this is how I create the content. So around that ebook. So as he has said, so I do ebooks. So they don't have to be very long. You don't have to go on forever about this. So yeah, this is what I use. So and the designs are just really outstanding. They're just stunning, you know. That's, as you know, because you've got my ebook, right, for email marketing, the beginner's guide to email marketing. So you've got that, see, so you know what it's like. So that's what I mean. So this is really good, you know. So I recommend it. I recommend it highly. It's a really good program. So I suggest you if you want to do what I do, that you get this and add it to and use it, because it's really good. You can do squeeze pages. You can do all sorts of things, you know. Add banners on your website. Promote. Give ebooks away for free, or which is what I do, you know. So there you go. There you have it. That's a rundown on this. So I'll say, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.